Hey everyone, just want to make a quick video real quick of the of some problems on YouTube. As you've probably noticed if you've been on there a while, the scams and everything that's going on in the comments with the text me on Telegram or the WhatsApp app saying that you've won a prize, and to redeem your prize please, text this or something. All that's a scam. That's nothing to do with me. I've reported and I block them, and they just keep creating new pages. So be on the lookout for that. Just ignore it or report it. That's what I've been doing, and hopefully we can get rid of that. If everybody would keep ignoring it, hopefully they'll leave the channel alone. Pretty much what it's saying is they'll text you saying you've won a prize, and you've got to message them to redeem it, and then they end up trying to charge you for shipping or something like that. And evidently there's a lot of people that fall for it, so just be on the lookout. All that has nothing to do with me, and I'm not affiliated with none of that. If you would like to, some people said they won't comment because of it. That kind of hurts the channel, so anything you can do, the thumbs up button for each video, all that does is help out the channel and help promote it throughout YouTube. So feel free to give the video a thumbs up, and I've never been one to beg for subscribers, but if you would like to subscribe, please do. Probably, I was looking at the analytics, maybe only 50% of the viewers are actually subscribers, so about half of them are not. So please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the video team there. So I appreciate everybody for watching, and just watch out and be safe on the internet. I'll catch you on the next video.